Hello everyone, my name is Pariksha Gulia and today we will learn about lines and angles. So let's start. Now, before starting lines and angles, I want to tell you some important definitions or some important points about the chapter. So first thing is the point. A point. If I put a dot over here, that is a point that is having no dimension, that is zero dimensions. Okay, now if I join 2 points, it will form a line. So that is a line that is one dimension. So for one dimension line, it can be extended infinitely on both the sides. Now, line segment, a part of a line, a single segment of a line, that is a line segment. Ray, a ray is a line which is having one endpoint and the other can be extended infinitely. Now the collinear points. If all the points we are having can come over a straight line, they will be called as collinear points. Collinear points. All points are in the same straight line. Now non-collinear points which cannot be formed or which cannot come on a single straight line, they are called non-collinear points. Next one is angle. As you all know that when two rays are attached together on a same vertex, they will form an angle. There are types of angles we are having now. First one is acute angle, an angle which is less than 90 degree, an angle which is less than 90 degree. Next one is right angle, an angle which is equal to 90 degree, like this. Next is obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 but less than 180. Okay. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. A line is forming an 180 degree angle on any point on it. Okay. Next one is this reflex angle. Reflex angle is when an angle is greater than 180 degree, they are forming the reflex angle. Next one is the complete angle, which is equal to 360 degree, that is all round. That is 360 degrees. Let's understand what are the relations between angles. First one is complementary angles. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, they are complementary angles. If the sum is equal to 180 degree, then it is supplementary angles. Okay. Now adjacent angles. When two angles having common vertex and one common arm, they are called adjacent angles. Okay. Now linear pair of angles, when the two uncommon arms are at 180 degree, or you may say when the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, they are called linear pair of angles. Okay. Next one is vertically opposite angles. Before vertically opposite angles, let's understand about intersecting lines. When two lines are intersecting each other, that is cutting each other at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Like L and M are intersecting each other here. Another pair of lines are parallel lines which do not intersect each other anywhere. Okay. Now vertically opposite angles, when the two intersecting lines forms an angles, the opposite angles on the sides are equal. Okay. They are the vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB is vertically opposite angle of COD. Okay. They are the vertically opposite angles. Right. Exterior angles, the outside angles, the angles which are facing the outside parts, like 1, 2, 7 and 8, they are the exterior angles. Now talking about next one, that is interior angles. Interior angles which are on the inside of the parallel lines 3, 4, 6, 5 and 6. They are the interior angles. Simple. Next is corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? In the simple language, I will tell that corresponding angles which are facing towards the same direction, which are facing the same direction, they are corresponding angles. And yes, those are 1, 5, they are facing the same direction. 2, 6, they are facing the same direction. 3, 7, facing the same direction. And also 4 and 8, they are facing the same directions. Okay. Now telling about the corresponding angles, they are always equal. 1 is equal to 5. If they are corresponding angles, they will be equal. 2 is equal to 6. 3 is equal to 7. 4 is equals to 8. Okay. Next one is alternate interior angles, which are on the alternate side but interior of the parallel lines. Okay. Like 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6, they are the interior angles, but on the alternate sides. Like 4 and 6 are on the opposite side of the transversal and inside the two parallel lines in the interior part. Okay. So 4 and 6 will be equal and alternate interior angles. Likewise 3 and 5, they are the alternate interior angles pair and they are equal to each other. Okay. Next one is interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Like 3 and 6, that is on the same side of the transversal. 3 and 6 are forming interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and the sum of these angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So the sum will be equals to 180 degrees. So I hope everyone got what I tried to explain. So this was the chapter of lines and angles. Wish you all the best. Thank you.